Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can just fix this problem. If you are having this problem, if you have pressing the power button and Google Assistant is opening, how you can just switch off or restart phone. Let me show you. Just press the volume button and power button both like this, and this will appear, and you can just simply power off in OnePlus phone, and now it is restarting. And if you want to just open it, then simply turn on by power button. Like this, it is opening now, and now it is open. You can just open it like this, and if you want to just restart, same process, power button, lock, volume button, press it both like this, and this will appear, then simply restart it, and now it is restarting, and now it is open. Here you can just see this. I hope this video will help you. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like the video for more videos. Thanks for watching.